Quick demo of CityPagePro 2.0. This is a really powerful website creation tool. Uses AI prompts, super easy to use. You can build custom websites for hire, for businesses or for service providers. There's so much you can do with it. It's also really designed for pay-per-call affiliate marketing. It has the CityPagePro module where you'll be able to create a website for any particular service like plumbing, heating, cooling, roofing, whatever, lawyers, and then you'll be able to make these city-specific landing pages that are totally unique and highly optimized for these long tail city searches like city name, emergency furnace repair, or stuff like that. So it's a really fun tool to use as well. And let me just take you through it a little bit. So you do need to provide your own Open Router API and OpenAI API, and that does cost you some money. You'll also need to have a Netlify account. That's where you'll have all your hosted websites, and it's totally free. You can host hundreds of custom websites on your Netlify. It's all tied in here underneath the account settings. Once you're all set up, you'll come in, you created a project, you'll name it, the service type, you'll pick your model. We right now recommend only using the 3-point safe Sonnet, but we also recommend testing out. There's 400 different models in there. Some work, some don't. Some are very inexpensive to use, so it's worth trying. But right now we're only supporting the 3.7. Your prompt, you don't have to put anything there. It already has these built-in prompts how it's going to build you city pages. But we highly recommend you using it because you can prompt in widgets like Call Now for like mobile users, like a little floating icon. You can prompt in like calculators and just anything you really want to think of. It's just limited to your imagination. You put your phone number that you want throughout the whole website, the email that the forms will come to, and then if you're using a custom domain, you'll put it there. Once the sites are created, let me show you. Here's an example of a site we just built today. Let's go to it. It's a plumbing site. You'll see sometimes the pictures aren't always perfect. This is with AI. We're trying to improve on that. You can easily change them in the live editor, which I'll show you. But this is a really great professional site, highly optimized. Let me show you a site that actually has a city page on it. This is a nice landscaping website. We have our service area here, which will take you through. It's really fast loading. And this is a specific lawn care service for Chicago, really optimized for the keyword Chicago and all those different phrases. Super cool. It has an FAQ section, and you can, with more prompts, you can add so much to this. So this is really cool. Some other things you can do for editing. So let's say you're making just like, a custom site, not a pay-per-call affiliate site, and you're making it for a specific company. You can come in to your project here. It's going to have everything you need. There's the prompt that I used to make the website. It could be as big as you want. Let's say I want to add a custom page. I can add it there, prompt it all in, and then let's say after maybe there's not everything you can prompt in and you want to do some customizations like human style. It's very simple. You'll just come in and you'll edit the page with this, our live editor. And the editor, you can not only click on it and change whatever you want, like with your, just normal style editing. You can also, let's say I want to add in right here, I can add in a prompt and I can say, add in a pricing widget to help homeowners pick out the best unit for their use case. Make sure to have a disclaimer that this pricing is just for informational purposes and they need to call us or fill out the form to get an official quote. All right, I'm going to click regenerate. We're going to wait a couple seconds here as it works. The longer the prompt, the bigger the prompt, the longer it takes, but it only takes a few seconds, so we'll just hang out for a sec. Okay, and it was created. Here it is. I mean, this is cool. Water heater pricing estimator, traditional tankless, disclaimer, pricing shown. And I can, you can go more if I wanted to do more. This is just for informational purposes. But aside from that, the other things you can do when you're in here, is you're going to be able to control your meta tags. So if you're using like Google Search Console or Analytics, that can all go in there, which is great. You're also going to be able to deploy to Netlify, which you're going to always deploy to Netlify. But if you want to have your own custom domain, you can deploy from here. And this will step by step, everything's going to show you what exactly to do. All the instructions are down there to get your site up and running. And then any changes that are made are instantly made. To be able to create city pages, that's probably the last thing I need to show you, is you'll create city pages. You'll simply add a file that will give you, that's going to show you the cities. Let me just show you what it looks like. So it just has everything there. And I've got a thing of 5,000 cities in the US. You can sort by population, by county, by zip, however you need. But that gets uploaded here. You'll pick your model. Again, 3.7 is the only one we suggest using right now unless you're going to do some testing. And then you prompt in how you want your city page. Again, you don't need to use the prompts. They're going to come out awesome. But if you want to add some things in here, I definitely suggest using it. So this is a great tool. I'm not giving any of my money sites out right now. I've had somebody who is trying to hack every money-making site I have. So you were able to see two sites, the Sladen plumbing.biz and the monroerolandscaping.com. Feel free to colon those in Google over the next few days, see how they index. I'm going to probably add a couple hundred city pages onto each one of them. And I hope when you see this video in a couple months from now, they're kicking butt, making money. So that is CityPagePro 2.0. I hope you like it, and I hope you purchase. It's only $40 a month right now. So you might be watching this video later and the price has gone up, but right now it's $40 a month. You can make unlimited websites. Hosting is free. There is a cost for your Open Router API and the Open API that gets the images. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.